What's up, everybody? David Feldman-Makrias back at it again, and I think I just had a bunch of dust on my hands because it just flew everywhere. Anyways, what I want to talk about really quickly is 3 tips to migrate softwares quickly, easily, and effectively. In today's age, we have software for everything. We have software to track our leads. We have software to log into dashboards. We have software to track our meals. We have software to listen to music. We have software to plan our life. We have software for literally everything, especially in business, because software is just, I feel like it's so commoditized now, especially for different industries. So, how to really quickly migrate softwares? There are softwares for that too, but um, with very entrenched softwares like project management systems, data management systems, CRMs, or customer relationship management systems. I mean, it can be very, very intuitive or very, very non-intuitive, I should say, to actually migrate a software. So I just want to give a few quick, easy steps to make life easier this way. First and foremost, if you can utilize a free trial because you're going to want to start with a simple project, right? How can you start with a simple project? So an example would be I want to I want to migrate Google Docs to Notion. I think Notion is a better tool. I think it has way more collaborative and all-inclusive widgets in it, and I really want to get my team away from Google Docs and onto Notion. But we're so used to Google Docs and Google's resources that it's tough. It could be challenging. So a simple project I've assigned a couple of my team members is to just start a simple sheet, right? I'm taking one of our processes that we do daily, and now I'm saying, okay, guys, let's take that process and let's just start making notes on Notion instead of Google Docs. It's something a little more easy, a little more simple. And you have to start that way if you're going to migrate anything because you're changing your normal process. You'll have to relearn. Your team will have to relearn. And whenever you have to relearn, that's going to take extra time. So you might as well make it as simple as possible and start with a simple project. Also, start with an all-encompassing project. So what I mean by that is if you can have a project that has multiple facets to it and builds over time, that's great. Some of the best things to do is if you take notes online or you take notes digitally, try starting the project or try starting the actual software just by note taking in some fashion, right? Or if you're entering a CRM, just start by trying to enter a customer and go through the entire process of that customer. You're basically teaching yourself how to do it. And when you do that, you can start taking notes somewhere else or even there and note down all the things that you need to learn or you're stuck on to help maximize your efficiency and your overall effectiveness. So that's what I mean by start with an encompassing project. Start with a project that can start simple, but then can expand as you use it over time. Again, the Google Doc to Notion is a great example because we usually use Google Docs for note taking or planning, things of that nature, where I'd like to see everything on one sheet and then have little nested information everywhere else, almost like a website. And that's what Notion is. Third, just start. Sometimes migrating things is painful. It takes more time. It takes more energy, more effort. It's a learning curve, everything like that. The more you keep delaying, though, the worse it becomes. You have to just start. And when you just start and give a little bit of time in your workday, 10 minutes, 15 minutes, 20 minutes, you'll start to actually build some momentum. So those are my 3 quick tips to migrate softwares quickly, easily, and effectively. Hope this provides some value for you guys. Give me a thumbs up if it does. And I'll creating content, whatever. I will keep creating content like this if you enjoy. Thank you so much. Talk to you soon.